When data is received through standard means, Devo is able to automatically parse it and display content as meaningful tables. However, when data is received through custom means such as proprietary sources or uploaded files, you need to manually specify the data structure using the Autoparser so Devo can effectively perform this task for you. Let's see how this works in Devo. This is how an unparsed table looks, everything inside the message column. And this is how it looks after being parsed, each piece of information in a separate column. To achieve this, we need to use the Autoparser. It automatically analyzes your data content and delimiters and recommends a table structure. However, before confirming, you can adapt it. Be aware that for successful parsing, it is essential to have a homogeneous data composition in terms of number and order of fields and delimiter pattern. If the data patterns are not consistent enough for Devo to extract rules, you will get the disparate data error and will not be able to use this feature. At the top of the Autoparser window, you can see the Event Analysis area, where you can select the event sample you want to use and enable or disable delimiters. As you can see, your selections here are reflected in the columns area below. You can see here the resulting fields, exclude them, give them a name, and select their data type. Once you click Confirm, your table is automatically parsed. Remember that the Autoparser option will not show if your table is not a MyApp or MyAppload with at least 4 tag levels. If the table to be parsed contains JSON objects, there are a couple of specificities to consider. When selecting the data type, you have 2 different JSON options. JSON object will parse the whole content in a single column with JSON data type. JSON split will create different columns for the different elements. If you choose this option, you need to specify the depth level to indicate the splitting pattern for column creation. As you can see, the columns created correspond to the specified level. In this case, every single element considered separately. When your table is already parsed and you try to use the Autoparser again, you will get a warning. You can indeed parse it again, however, it will be reset prior to starting over. This means you will not be able to recover your previous parsing if you changed your mind while preparing the new draft. If you confirm it, the existing parsing will be removed and the table reverted to its original unparsed status. Then you would be able to use the Autoparser again. Thanks for watching this video. Visit us online to keep up to date with the latest content.